Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to take you guys on a little mini shopping trip to show you guys all of the things that I'm getting for our bedroom, and then I'm just going to show you like a little sneak peek of what I have so far as decorating. So stay tuned. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below if you enjoy this video. Alright guys, I'm going to take y'all with me just to show y'all a couple of the things that I'm getting. So we're going to IKEA today. I already went to Target, but I didn't get much from Target. I just got like some cleaning supplies or whatever. And I'm about to head to IKEA right now. I do have to go to Home Goods. I'll probably stop at HomeSense because I need some bed pillows. But yeah, I'm not going to spend a lot of time in the stores on camera, at least. I just want to show y'all like how I pick my pieces out. So I'll meet y'all at IKEA. Alright guys, so I didn't find what I was looking for in IKEA, but I just wanted to show y'all this cute pillow. I'm actually putting it in the living room, but I told y'all I'll show y'all how I pick out my pieces. So we are in Home Goods, and my thing is neutrals and texture. So this pillow is perfect. And now I'm gonna go try to find some pillows to put on the bed. I want to give the bed like a hotel type of vibe. So I'm getting these big pillows right here to put in the back. And then I'm going to put the pillows that I already have in front of them. But basically, when you make your bed, you want to make sure you have some big pillows. And I'll show y'all what I mean when we get back to the house. But these are all of the bedroom pillows that Home Goods has. Needed an accent rug for the bedroom as well. Now I'm in HomeSense, y'all. So I got this one, which is really cute. They have like these faux furs, but I think my husband is over the fur, so I'm gonna compromise. This is cute too. And just get this one. Alright guys, I'm in another Home Goods right now. I'm having a hard time finding the kind of shelf that I'm looking for. I feel like this is too big. So I'm gonna try this one out. If it doesn't work, if it doesn't look right, I'll just take it back. It's not that serious. So I think I got everything I need for today. I'll show you guys what everything looks like when we get back. So I actually did find a corner shelf, y'all. I want to see how this one looks. Alright y'all, so this is the before. I did get this mattress pad today. This is our bed. So I'm about to set some stuff up and show y'all what it looks like. Alright guys, so I'm not done yet, but this is everything that I have so far. I'll show you guys. I have this little nightstand over here with a gray lamp on it. And this is our new bed. We weren't planning on getting a bed, but our other one broke. But I like this one better anyway. So that's what the new bed looks like. And it has like these nice details all throughout. And I have like this cream rug on the ground. Then once we get over here, I have a little corner shelf. I initially wanted floating shelves, but I couldn't find them, so I tried this out and I actually like this. I was thinking about spraying it white, but I guess we'll find out. So let me tell you where I got these things from. I got this corner shelf from HomeGoods. This little turtle down here. I really like turtles and owls. If you don't know that about me, I got that from HomeGoods. And I just have my Jo Malone candle. I have my Jo Malone candle and some Jo Malone perfume. Alright. The nightstand is from TJ Maxx. And the lamp is from Marshalls. This bed we got from Bob's Furniture. And I'll tell you all about the pillows. Mostly everything is HomeGoods. These large sham pillows I got from HomeGoods. These are just regular standard pillows. This comforter set I got from HomeGoods. It's like a textured white set. This rug I got from HomeSense. It's like really fluffy and comfy. And then over here, I really love this clothing rack. I got this from Amazon. So this is from Amazon. The hangers are from Marshalls. So I'm just gonna hang like whatever my everyday items are. I got my pocketbooks on here. And I have my everyday bag just sitting at the bottom, some sandals. Right now my color is neutrals, and I have my fedora as well. So the clothing rack is from Amazon. It is a little bit too tall to fit where I wanted it to fit. So what I'm probably going to have to do is place it in the closet until I'm ready to do my hauls and things like that. Yeah, but that's pretty much it. Very minimal. What I am going to do over here to spruce it up a little bit, I'm gonna probably put one of our wedding photos right here. So I have a nice frame for it, but the pictures won't be back until probably next week or so. So after the whole house is done, I'll show y'all what the room looks like. This is my view. And I'll just give y'all like a little sneak peek of the closet. This is my husband's side. I'm still organizing that. So I'm fixing up the drawers. I got this little shoe rack from HomeGoods because he has a lot of shoes. So that's pretty much it, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Tell me how you like this video. Let me know if you like the vlog style, because I'm trying to get into that a little bit more. So yeah, this is the final look. Well, not final, but y'all know what I mean. So let me know what you guys think.